All right, so this is a really good problem. Actually, I think this is a good toughie. If we read the problem, it says, yeah, you can go ahead and read the problem on your own. So exactly what we were just saying is tip and tax are both based off of the dinner price. So tax, they tell us, is 11%, and we know that we can write 11% in decimal form, right, as 0.11. But that's 11% of the price of the dinner, or what we call the bill, right? Like the dinner price, the initial price of the food is the bill. It's what they bring you that you owe them. The tip is also of the bill, right? Is like multiplied by the bill amount. And they tell us the tip that they tipped is 20%. So 0.2 of the bill. Does it make sense why I wrote tax equal to 0.11 of the bill and tip equal to 0.20 of the bill? Okay. So from here we can say, well, of tells us to multiply, right? So this is really 0.11 times b, and this is really 0.20 times b. Together, well, they're both like terms, right? Because they're both b values. So we could put these together. Together, 20 and 11 is 31 times the b. So essentially, she upped how much she was going to pay by 31%. Because 11% here, 20% here. Does that make sense? So now we can relate that to the fact that they tell us Zoe paid $18.60. This tip and tax together is $18.60. Now, based off what we did in class today, how can I get just one b? Like, how can I get the b by itself? What do I do with this 0.31? How do we make that giant 1? If I had a 5 and I wanted to make it equal, yeah, I have to put it over itself, right? To equal 1, I need to put a number over itself. So just like 5 over 5 equals 1, a 0.31 over a 0.31 is a giant 1. So if we divide on the left side, we also have to divide on the right side. If we want to draw it, because somebody earlier said they used to like when their teachers drew the giant 1s, and we have space here. And then $60. So B is equal to 60. Now be careful. What's the problem actually asked? Sweet. So if it just asks for price before dinner, before everything else, it's 60. Right? That's the bill price. But if it asks for what's the price of everything, it'd be the $60 bill and the $18.60, right? That's the extra amount that she paid. But since they just want how much was the bill, that's just 60. You are welcome.